Kia ora, ko Drew tōku ingoa, I mahi au ki Ngā Ruahine Iwi Health Services as a koutou toko matehuka. So I'm a diabetes support worker for Māori and Pacifica. I feel that our whānau need to be supported better in these spaces like the DHB and in health, just in general health care. We need cultural competency, we need doctors, nurses and clinicians to understand the needs of whānau. Whānau Māori are different to the needs of other whānaus, and actually capture that and work alongside our whānau, with our whānau, by our whānau. It's our whānau voice, choice and their rights that we should be honouring, and their mana motuhake, enabling them to have the tools and skills to be well for themselves.